Look at this. The rider was cruising down the avenue like any other day when, in just a matter of seconds, everything changed. On the road, all it takes is one mistake, one moment of distraction, or one misjudged gap for things to go terribly wrong. That's exactly what happened here. The motorcycle went down, and the rider was thrown onto the pavement. It was a terrifying moment. Thankfully, people nearby stopped immediately to help, proving that in situations like these, kindness and quick action can make all the difference. It's a reminder every motorcyclist already knows: there's no such thing as a guaranteed safe ride. You have to stay alert at all times because a single mistake can end in a serious accident. If this scene shocked you too, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with that friend you hope this never happens to. Ride safely, and I'll see you in the next video. May God protect all motorcycle riders.